Hi guys, welcome to my video. Please subscribe, share, and like this video. Animal welfare advocacy is a crucial movement that promotes the well-being and protection of animals from cruelty, neglect, and exploitation. Advocacy work to improve animal welfare laws, policy, and practice, as well as raise animal awareness about animal welfare issues like improving the treatment and living condition of pets such as dogs, cats, and others.